And of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss.
Okay, so kumusta ang tanan? Nakakaon na ba ang all? Nakakaon na mo?
Wala.
Wala pa, Miss.
Maayo.
Wala pa, Miss.
Sige. Pangaon, pwede ra ha, maghinahinay og pangaon. Okay ra jud. Basta maminaw lang gyud gihapon. Okay, so last Wednesday we were able to listen to the presentation of groups 1, 2, and 3, I believe. So there were three groups who were able to present their lesson plan last time. So we still have 7 more groups left, no? Murag kay 10 groups man siguro mo at 10 groups man siguro mo tanan. Okay, so let's start. Fourth group, you may now, the floor is yours. You may now present.
Ma-view ra, Miss.
Yes, my Viura.
Ay mag-ask de kog permission, Miss, kanang mag-recording ko, Miss, ba para ma-catch up gid namo ang amo ang mga kanang
Sure.
corrections nimo, Miss.
Yeah, no problem.
So, tara, na-view na siya. So, this is the ay, lesson plan in science for the group 4, Miss. As what I've learned sa katong imuhang mga na-correction sa previous group, Miss, is somehow na mga same na correction. Same aning intended learning outcomes na mo ari sa kaning letter B from the kaning
Mm.
appreciate. So yes, wrong sad mi aning part. And also
Mm.
same ra jud pod ang learning content naharap pod mi ng I mean amo ang grade 1 and grade 2 is a parts of a plant, amo ang topic, and the grade 3 is living and non-living things. So ari pod
Okay.
hog pod mi sa ato
Wait sa miss.
I'm
Before ta mo proceed sa learning content o learning experiences, sige, ari sa ta sa
outcomes.
learning outcomes sa ta. Alright, so dili na lang ko mo dwell sa inyohang, as you said, no, kay
Mm,
kanang you see already, or you have noticed already kanang which one is incorrect there, which is the effective part. So ari ko sa, let me just remind you guys nga actually in writing a intended learning outcomes, you can actually give more than three. But since this is just a practice for us to write a lesson plan, mauna nga kanang it would be better lang sa nga three lang sa nga atong ihatag. So probably some of you were telling me no nga you were just following the examples you saw from the book, or the one I gave you, no,
mm,
kay yeah, kay in fact daghan gani dito nga murag nato portions dito nga murag four ang iyahang objectives ana. So in reality you can really actually give more than three. So but for now, since this is just a practice, museto lang sa tagay sa three lang sa one per part, like one sa cognitive, one affective, and one psychomotor. Sige, arita sa inyong psychomotor. Now, both groups. Ako lang niingon nga groups, no, two groups, kay ang one group is a combination, no, of
mm,
grade 1 and grade 2, and the other group is the grade 3 pupils. So, both groups gyud sa kuan, sa cognitive. So, please take note of the terms that you have used, as well as the context of the sentence that you put there. So, you say kamo group 4, you say dili ko mo kuan og si Miss Ninya ra ha, or si Miss Igot ra,
um,
kay siya ra man. I would say kamo group kay kanang this was given as a group man. This is
mm.
assignment as a group. So, kamo group 4, you said there, or you put there, describe the function of each part of a plant. Now, before we dig with this, how do you guys, not just sa group 4 ha, but the whole class, how do you guys understand with, what is your understanding with psychomotor objective? Unsa man ang psychomotor?
Action.
Action.
Skills?
Skills, yes. Action, no? Kay, kung mayroon gud ta og skills man sad ni ang A. Skills sad ni ang B.
Mm,
So, if we're going to be specific, Moingon ta nga skill siya that involves movement, movement, action jud. So kana siya. Now, when we say describe, and the other one in for the grade 3, you say or you put there
Differentiate lang.
differentiate, no? It's like comparing. Comparison ni siya kay differentiate between man. So, do you think kanang it's more on developing a skill that involves movement, Jud?
Dili, miss.
Dili,
Layo
no?
ra siya,
Asa man siya na fall?
mura sad
Sa
siya puwede ma-fall puwede sa A or B.
yes,
Cognitive or
exactly.
kuan,
Cognitive siya. Yeah, cognitive siya because when you say describe your brain there,
previous yung
of course, no, the brain is involvement yun in everything that we do, be it affective or psychomotor. But yeah, when we say kuan, it's the function of the brain, di ba, to think. So if naka-understand mo, naka-comprehend mo, then you will be able to describe something that you have understood. And the same thing with the other kanang outcome. If you have understood the topic or if you get the idea, then you would be able to differentiate. So it is the function of the brain. So most likely kaning letter C ninyo din hinga supposedly for the cognitive part is for the I mean for the psychomotor part is actually for the cognitive part. Yeah, sige. So, I don't know kung unsa pa inyong kuan jud, I mean, inyong learning experiences ang flow. But in my understanding of your topic, which is the parts of the plant, and then in the other one, living and the non-living things, then might as well think more of an outcome or an objective na kanang ma-involve yun ang ilang movement, mo-move yun sila.
mm,
Yeah, and mo move gyud sila aning living and non-living things. Kaning living and non-living things, daghan kay mo mapabuhat ani sa psychomotor actually. Kanang like pwede baron unsa ganing nang murag kana ganing murag charade. Ana no?
taga-taga,
O yeah, pwede mo makapa-charade ana ug unsa pa kanang yung baron silang pabuhaton or mo think baron mo og kanang song dayon or poem dayon inyong ipa-recite sa ilaha with the use of an action para easier for them to kanang memorize or easier for them to sing ana so that already involves movement. So, mao na siya ang sa psychomotor. Pwede sad na kanang magpa-draw arita sa parts of a plant. I think na-mention, I don't know if the same class or sa other class ba ni, kayo naa man sagot to sila murag parts of the plant ang ilaha. So, kanang sa parts of the plant, pwede mo magpa-draw nila or magpa-paint or kana ganing with the use of canvas by term ana kanang para sa painting.
yes,
Ana, yeah, kanang mga ingon ana. Now, if namo sa province, lisod kay pangitag canvas ang mga bata, pwede sa ng sako sa harina, pwede na siya.
mm,
Or kanang cloth or anything ba nga. As long as mo involve sila og movement, so pwede sila makadraw ana or mag-create baron sila og kanang realia or diorama of plants, nga kana part sa plants ma-identify or kanang mobile, no? Kakuan man ang mobile kanang magbitay. Oh, kana ina mag-create sila ana. So those are examples that would somehow show psychomotor understanding. So in order for you to hit or to achieve your goal that involves movement sa ilaha. So na-understand ra group 4 and whole class?
yes, miss. Ang pag-use lang sa tingani words.
Yes. So word and sa context gid sa inyong objective.
Podcast.
Sige, ato ta sa kuan, ato ta sa learning experiences.
Murag kuano ni siya dire nayabo pod ari miss. Hanging sa grade 3 but sa preparatory activity kay naa ang grade 1 o grade 2.
Mm.
Same sad sa uban grupuhan niya to. So, ingani
Yeah.
miss 'no kay walang preparatory activity sa 1 and 2 so dapat naa jud po'y kuhanon sa grade 3. or
If
blank lang usa?
where do you plan the teacher would engage with
First,
first?
mm,
Oh,
sa kani nga
asa
mga miss
man?
kay ang grade 1
Yeah,
ug 2 kay duha ba siya ka grade level.
that are combined. So you mean to say group 4, you plan for the teacher to be with the grade 3 pupils first, right?
Okay.
Yeah, because you have the preparatory activity man for grade 1
Grade
and
1
grade
and
2,
2.
which means na, remember, one of the purposes of preparatory activity is for them to behave, for them for you, for the teacher to have a hold on the other level
Mm,
while the teacher is still with the other level. Ang katong level, grade levels nga wala siya, ma-hold naghapon siya hold and mabuyog hapon, ma-manage gihapon niya. So that's the purpose of the preparatory activity. And I'm going to repeat, preparatory activities may or may not be related to the topic.
okay.
Okay. But if you want to really enrich your students, then I suggest nga inyong preparatory activities are somehow related to
Related.
the topic. Para for kanang grabe nga enrichment ba. But again, ang purpose sa preparatory activity, one, no, as the word says, preparatory, so to prepare.
Pera.
And another one is for the teacher to manage the class gapon, or to manage the levels. Okay, so while ang preparatory activities si grade 1 o grade 2, so si teacher ato dito siya sa engagement. Now in this kind of thing ba na kanang inani no multi-grade, um kuan lang ha, reminder lang na though preparatory activity na siya ang PICAS, si teacher has to has to explain gihapon what they are expected to do. So before si teacher mo go sa grade 3, kanang it is a given nga si teacher mo explain na siya unsa iyang ipabuhat as preparatory activity sa other levels. Kung unsa man gani na nga level. So hinumdumi niya ninyo class. So kana no na, kung naa na siya preparatory activity diri sa grade 1 o grade 2 mo, nahatag na ni teacher, na explain na niya ang kanang instructions, mo proceed na siya sa grade 3 to start with the engagement along as the other flow sa kuan learning experiences. Then blank na din ha, dili magtapad sa engagement sa grade 1 2 ug ang engagement sa grade 3. Ang magtapad din ha si preparatory activity sa engagement ni grade 3. Okay? Nasabtan? Group
So,
4?
blanko ni ang kuan miss.
Blanko na, ubos na.
Pareha na.
No, no.
Ay,
Up na siya. Sakto na siya.
okay.
So, itapad,
I mean,
itapad good
kani
na.
sa grade 1 ug
Yeah.
2. Okay.
Yes. Mo na siya blanco. Sige,
Mm,
i-down. So, down, scroll down please.
blank di siya.
Okay. So, ari na sa elaboration. Ang elaboration, sige, scroll down pa.
Asan to siya? Kani
There.
miss.
Elaboration sa grade 3.
Ay, dara miss.
Yeah. So whole class man na, no, whole class. So when we say whole class, ang teacher gapon is with the class. Kay whole class man, it is an activity done by the class, the whole class. So si teacher na paghapon din ha. Therefore, it is expected nga taas-taas gito yung preparatory activity, enough nga makip ninyo ang grade 1 o 2 ang ilahang kuan ba, ang ilahang interest enough nga di sila magkiat. So your engagement for grade 1 and grade 2 should be aligned with the individual activities sa elaboration sa grade 3.
Mm,
Again, ang engagement supposedly sa grade 1 and grade 2 must align sa elaboration sa individual activity sa grade 3. So dinha siya. Individual activity no sa grade 3. So ang tapad ana sa left
kani.
ang engagement sa grade 1 o grade 2. In that manner, it would show what is going on in the class. So it means that while the teacher is discussing and doing these activities at grade 3, the other grade levels are still doing their preparatory activities. So,
So
guys,
taas.
for your yeah,
Mm.
for your final, which is the demonstration teaching demo, kanang dapat mag-think mo ha. It's gonna be by group, so you should be working as a group. As the saying goes, two heads are better than one. So there should be kanang what's this huddle of ideas. Dapat inyo nang kuanon kanang ipang-consider unsay dapat yung buhaton niya inyo hang somehow consider sad na what if naa mo ani nag-teach na mo, okay, nag-demo na mo. Do you think that the activity, the preparatory activity you prepared for a particular level is enough nga mo hold sa ilahang attention na mapuyo sa sila kay wala pa ka sa ilahang presence, ang teacher wala pa sa ilang presence. So mo na inyong ipang-consider. If you think one preparatory activity for a certain grade level would not be enough, kay dali ra ni mahuman nga activity inyong giandam, then add more activities.
Para walay dead air, miss.
Para walay dead air ug para ma-hold gyud nimo or as a teacher ma-hold gyud sa teacher ang attention sa mga bata ug mag-behave sa sila, mapuyo sa sila. Okay, so somehow maud gyud gihapon ang kuano ang mga loopholes sa group 4,
Hindi mo na.
the same sa
Oh,
groups 1, 2 and 3. Okay, sige. So, thank you group 4.
yes, miss.
So na ta sa group 5. By the way,